Are you an avid skier or snowboarder? Let's talk about the Smith Mission Helmet. Did you know that wearing a helmet can reduce the risk of head injury by 60%? According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, helmets are a crucial safety measure. The Smith Mission Helmet is designed with safety in mind. It features MIPS technology, which reduces rotational forces in the event of an impact. But safety doesn't mean sacrificing style. The Smith Mission Helmet comes in a variety of colors and designs to match your style on the slopes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Smith Mission Helmet is a must-have for anything stylish on the slopes.